The drama inside the Big Brother 27 house has hit an all-time high as Week 7's power of veto competition has shaken up the entire game. With the house divided and alliances hanging by a thread, the latest veto results have left fans buzzing, and the players scrambling to adjust their strategies. What went down during the competition and the aftermath that followed could easily go down as one of the most explosive moments of the season. This week's head of household had already made bold nominations, targeting some of the most outspoken and unpredictable house guests. Tensions had been simmering for days leading up to the veto, with alliances fracturing and secret deals forming in the shadows. As the players gathered for the competition, the stakes couldn't have been higher: win the veto and potentially change the course of the game, or lose it and risk becoming T. He next a victim. The power of veto competition itself was one for the books. This week's challenge tested both endurance and mental focus, with a twist that caught several players off guard. While the official name of the competition has yet to be revealed, it involved both physical balance and mema. Why recall? A perfect mix to test everyone's overall gameplay skills. From the very beginning, it was clear that a few house guests were more determined than ever to secure the win and protect their game. As the competition unfolded, multiple players made surprising moves. One house guest, who had been flying under the radar for most of the season, suddenly became a standout contender. Their laser focus and calm approach stunned the others, especially since few saw them as a real threat before. Meanwhile, two of the bigger personalities in the house clashed mid-game, accusing each other of sabotage. The tension reached a boiling point as insults were thrown and alliances publicly fractured right in front of everyone. By the time the competition ended, it was clear that this was not going to be a typical power of veto week. After nearly an hour of intense play, one player emerged victorious, and their win could change everything. According to live feed updates and inside sources, the winner of the Week 7 power of veto is none other than Ashley Hollis. Her victory marks her second major win this season and positions her as one of the most dangerous players left in the house. Ashley's win immediately sent shockwaves through the game. As part of a strong alliance earlier in the season, she had managed to maintain key social relationships while avoiding direct confrontation. But recently, she's been under fire from multiple sides, with whispers that she could be the next big target. Now, with the power of veto around her neck, Ashley holds all the cards. Her decision at the veto ceremony could save an ally, strike a deal, or even expose hidden alliances. Following the competition, the house dynamic shifted dramatically. Conversations behind closed doors became more intense, and paranoia spread like wildfire. Several players tried to approach Ashley with last-minute pitches, promising her loyalty in exchange for safety. However, others began plotting her downfall, aware that if she uses the veto strategically, she could completely flip the game in her favor. The head of household reportedly had mixed feelings about the outcome. Sources from the live feeds revealed that the HOH's initial plan was to keep nominations the same, ensuring a strong player would be sent home. But Ashley's win threw that plan into chaos. The whole now faces a difficult choice: either trust Ashley to keep things stable or prepare for the possibility that the nominations will change. The uncertainty has everyone on edge, and it's clear that no one feels completely safe. Meanwhile, the nominees themselves have been working overtime to secure their survival. One of them broke down in tears after the competition, realizing that the outcome might have sealed their fate. Another nominee, however, has been quietly confident, believing they've managed to sway enough votes to stay no matter what happens. The emotional rollercoaster of this week's veto results has fans glued to the feeds, waiting to see who will make the next big move. Adding to the tension, several unexpected conversations have taken place in the past 24 hours. A few house guests who previously refused to work together were spotted whispering in the corner of the backyard, suggesting a potential new alliance forming. If that deal holds, it could spell disaster for the current power players. But with the game constantly shifting, nothing is certain until the veto ceremony takes place. Ashley, for her part, has been playing it cool. In a recent late-night conversation, she hinted that she is considering using the veto, but not necessarily on who everyone expects. Her reasoning: to test loyalty and expose who's really working against her. This strategic move could backfire spectacularly or make her the most powerful player in the house heading into week 8. Either way, it's a bold plan that fans are dying to see unfold. If Ashley decides to use the power of veto, speculation is that the replacement nominee could be someone from her own alliance, possibly as a strategic sacrifice to gain long-term trust from the others. On the other hand, she might keep nominations the same to maintain the illusion of loyalty, allowing her to strike when the timing is perfect. The unpredictability of her gameplay has made her one of the most talked about figures in Big Brother 27. Beyond the immediate impact, this week's veto results are shaping the trajectory of the rest of the season. Players are starting to realize that they can't rely on old alliances anymore, and several fan-favorite house guests are now in danger. Social media has erupted with mixed reactions, some praising Ashley's strong gameplay and others accusing her of playing too aggressively too soon. Whatever the case, there's no denying she's now in control of the narrative. As eviction night approaches, all eyes are on Ashley's next move. The veto ceremony will determine who sits on the chopping block and could easily cause a massive blindside. If she uses the veto to save one nominee, it could force the Ho to put up a close ally, sparking a new war in the house. But if she keeps the nominations the same, she risks alienating allies who expected her to act. It's a lose-lose situation for some, but for Ashley, it might be the perfect opportunity to prove she's not afraid to make big moves. Week 7's power of veto results have officially marked a turning point in Big Brother 27. Every decision now carries huge consequences, and with the game entering its most volatile phase, no one is truly safe. Expect alliances to crumble, tempers to flare, and shocking betrayals to unfold before the next eviction. One thing's for sure, Big Brother 27 just got a whole lot messier, and fans wouldn't have it any other way. Stay tuned for the upcoming veto ceremony spoilers, because if Ashley follows through with her rumored plan, it could go down as one of the most unforgettable moments of the entire season. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond Big Brother YouTube channel for more update news.